Hello students, now let us learn about the application of Q. Yes, uh, application of Q will include the two types of thing. First one is the simulation and second one is the implementation of the various aspect of OS, that is to implement the various scheduling algorithm. Okay, so first we learn about the simulation. Yes, we can say simulation, it is a one of application of Q. It is modeling real life problem, or in other words it is model or real life situation in form of computer program. Yes, in the simple way the simulation is what we can say. It is a one kind of problem, one kind of program that will handle the real life situation. Yes, so that is called as a simulation. Now we can say there are various application of the simulations are available. Okay, the main objective of the simulation program is to study the real life situation under the control of various parameters which affect the real world situation problem. It is topic of the system analysis or operation research based on the result obtained by simulation. Actual problem can be solved in optimum ways. Now let us say the example of the simulation. That examples what we can say, that if you want to learn a train, how to drive a train or plane or any kind of situation, a real life situation with the real life problem, then you can use the simulation. Yes, it is the base solution by using which you can operate the program. Yes, with the various kind of tools, and you can face the real life situation. Yes, so now what are the advantage of this particular program? Yes, basically that you can avoid the danger thing which are available inside the real life. That for example, if you are learning the plane or any other equipment or any other, we can say, things, then there will be no injury to you. Yes, and we can also say that real life प्रोग्राम के अंदर आप बहुत कुछ कॉस्ट कटिंग वगैरह कर सकते हो. यस, वन सिमुलेशन प्रोग्राम कैन बी यूज बाय द मैनी persons. Yes, for the learning purpose. Now let us see the advantages. That it permits experimentation without modifying real life situation. In other words, it is the advantages to experiment in danger area. That is, in the military operation we can use simulation. It is easy to save and test, and also it is inexpensive. Now let us say what are the disadvantage of the simulation. We can say when the size of the simulation is large, it is expensive. Yes, so when we have a large kind of simulation are required, then it is very expensive. Yes, and there will be changes inside the simulation program or inside the thing, then it will also give a cost. Yes. Now, simulations consist of three main activities. First one is input, second one is functionality, and third one is output. Yes, so we can say input, this diagram will represent the three main activities of the simulation. So by using the input, the system will provide the functionality based on some kind of input, then it will give some kind of output. Yes, so these are, we can say, this one is the system, and this will provide the interconnected object to provide some kind of functionality. System are what we can say, interconnected object. Yes, basically used to provide some kind of functionality, and basis on the input and what are the functionality available inside the system, it will give the output. Yes, now let us see the system. what is the system? Any process or situation that must be simulated, it is called as a system. Yes, we can say it is a collection of interrelated object with contain zero or more input and provide at least one output. So that kind of thing is called as a system. There are different type of systems are available. First one is a discrete system. It is a system is a deterministic if the input and output parameter are discrete value. Yes, so that type of system is called as a discrete system. Yes, so we can say we cannot assume this kind of system like how many customer arrive at the ticket system, that we cannot early predict or give the answer. So that type of system is called as a discrete system. Second one is the continuous system. A system in which continuous input and output parameter are continuous. Here we can say input and output parameter, yeah, or we can say values are the continuous. So that type of system is called as a continuous system. For example, water flow through the pipeline of from the dam. So that type of system is called as a continuous system. Yes. Third one is the deterministic system. System is deterministic if given set of input initial parameters, the final output can be predicted. Yes, so that type of system is called as a deterministic system. For example, the program of the factorial of n numbers, so output can be deterministic. Yes, so we can say basis on the input we can assume the output. So that type of system is called as a deterministic system. Next one is the stochastic system. A system whose behavior cannot be predicted priorly, yes, or properly, are known as a stochastic system. For example, release of the movie will be predicted, will not be predicted properly. So that type of system is called as a, we can say, stochastic system. Yes, the movie is going to be hit, or how many amount of ticket will be sold, that cannot be priorly we can say detect. Yes, or we can say predict. So that type of system is called as a deterministic system. Yes, so these are the simulation systems. Yes, थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोग ये सब कुछ समझ गए होंगे.